Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. My today's video is about 5 tips, or I can say 5 swaps that you need to do to be able to lose weight in 1 week. Follow these simple steps and lose weight fast. So guys, let's get into it. The first swap I would recommend is fizzy drinks. Now completely either stop fizzy drinks because they've got really high sugar levels, or swap them slowly with water. So if you're having 2 to 3 cans in a day, swap it with water, at least 2 of them. Have 1 in a day. In time, you will realize that you are not craving as much for these sugary drinks. You are feeling much healthier, you're less bloated. Making healthier option is still tasty. Use your favorite fruit like oranges, lemon, cucumber, mint leaves, pineapple, strawberries. There's so many options to make infused water. All you need is water and your favorite food or fruits. On to my second tip. Swap white bread with brown bread. I'm not gonna say this is a magic and the minute you start eating brown bread you will start losing weight. Instead, you will be having more fiber in your diet. White bread has no fiber, brown bread has more fiber in it, and it has more nutritional values than white bread. Again, limit the quantity of the brown bread as well in a day. If you're having 5 to 6 slices of bread at a time, reduce it to 2, 3 or 4, or maybe 3/4. And if you feel it's not enough for you, add more salad or fruit instead of more slices of bread. This way you will have less calorie intake, hence you will lose weight faster. Swap butter or margarines with low-fat cheese spread. So let's say a 17 gram of low-fat cheese spread has only 25 calories, whereas 17 gram of butter has 122 calories. You're saving a lot of calories here if you're trying to lose weight fast. Remember, it's all about calories when you're trying to lose weight. Now, my next tip, swap frying with roasting. If you absolutely love fried chips, do have them. You can have chips but make them homemade, not the store-bought packet ones. And instead of frying, roast them. You will still use little oil, but not as much as when you're using it in frying. If you're having regular junk food or outside bought burgers, chips, fries, swap them with whole foods. You can make these burgers at home from scratch and they're much healthier option. Even I like junk food, who doesn't? Just don't make it a part of your everyday eating habits. You can have them once in a while. So guys, this is all for today, and if you like this video, do hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified for my future videos. Thank you for watching.